So when your dirt bike doesn't have enough pressure in it, the tube pops, and what you have to do is you take off the rear brake and the chains to take off your back tire, and then you take off the tire, and then you put back the tube. This is the tube that we thought was popped, but it's not. And then it's really easy to push down on your dirt bike. And then you put the tube back in, and then you have to put the tire back on, hold it still, and then put the chain and the rear brake back on, and then you have to put the bolts on to have your tire stay back where it is and it just spin normally.
And that's what we're going to do to replace your tube, right?
Yep.